Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Premiere Pro for 5.1 surround audio mixing, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Premiere Pro and create a new project. In the new project window, name your project and set your desired location. Click on the Audio tab to configure your audio settings. Head to the Sequence menu and select New Sequence. In the New Sequence dialog, navigate to the Audio tab. Choose a preset that supports 5.1 surround sound. Click on the Settings tab and ensure the audio channel layout is set to 5.1. Confirm your selections and click OK to create the sequence. Import the audio clips you want to mix into the project. Drag your audio clips onto the timeline. Right-click on the audio track and select Audio Channels. In the Audio Channels settings, set the track format to 5.1. Make sure each audio source maps to the correct surround channel. Use the Audio Mixer panel to adjust the levels for each channel. Route your audio tracks properly to separate channels in the mixer. Play back your sequence to check balance and levels. Adjust any panning for more precise placements within the surround field. Once satisfied, go to the File menu and select Export. Choose Media to open the Export Settings panel. Select your preferred format, such as H.264 or QuickTime. In the audio settings, ensure the audio codec is set to support 5.1 audio. Check the box to export the audio with the video. Finally, click Export to render your project with 5.1 surround sound. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.